Go ahead and hang up the phone right now. Okay, you don't need Daddy Papa for this one. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForeverHair. They're kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this easy breezy, beginner-friendly, everyday glueless install, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it to and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it to and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it to and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody building trust and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took your time and I opened up. I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForeverHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I do have a coupon code for this unit, and I'm pretty sure you can PayinFour as well. Okay, so this unit out the pack with my specs is about $120 something. Go ahead and hang up the phone right now. Okay, you don't need Daddy Papa for this one. Now out the pack, I would definitely say this unit is beginner friendly just because it is a 4x4 closure, so you don't have to spray anything down or pluck anything if you don't want to. However, if you plan on doing what I did for my unit, I would definitely say it's a little bit more intermediate, just because I know a lot of you guys don't want to pluck your units or curl your unit out the pack. You pretty much want it ready to wear, and I definitely understand that, especially in these hotter months. You just kind of want to put a wig on and go. If you want a simple bust down middle part, you are ready to go out the pack. But if you want to look like me, okay, like this, you gotta do a little something. Because I shifted this unit to the side, I had to redefine my part by plucking the parting space. I also had to flatten out the area around my part to make sure that you could see the parting space. Now I'm pretty sure this is my first time using my flat iron to curl my entire wig, just because I'm trying to learn how to use my flat iron. My girl Sherelle, or simply Sherelle on YouTube, she actually talks about not knowing how to work a curling iron, but she uses her flat iron to curl her wigs. And I'm the complete opposite. I can work a curling iron all day, but using a flat iron to curl my wig, I can't do it. So I went on and bought this joint from Amazon, and I went on and tried it, and I'm really liking it. Okay, I'm really liking it. I told y'all I was looking for a dupe to that, you know, that Baby Bliss, Babe Bliss, whatever that joint is, because I was not going to spend $180 on no flat iron. I just wasn't going to do it. So I found this joint for about, I want to say it was like $30. I mean, I know I love a good deal. Between this flat iron and this hair, the look is phenomenal. Okay, it's because that was my first time using my flat iron to curl my wig. Don't judge me, okay? I'm sure it would get better with time, but again, it's a silkier texture, so you will need to use your hairspray, your got-to-be spray, to make sure your curls, you know, pretty much stay intact. I use a little bit of hairspray, so that's why they kind of look like this. They're not completely falling out, but they're not as tight as they were when I initially curled this wig. Now, the lace on this unit is blendable. Y'all know I don't bleach nothing but my white, so I use my contour and my hair concealer in my parting space and around my hairline, and I must say she's sitting pretty nice. I did co-wash this unit, and I got a little shedding with it, but nothing crazy. I did not get no shedding after the fact. I did go in and cut the ends off my wig just because they were a little scraggly, so I wanted to make sure they were pretty much all even all the way around. I didn't show you guys the hair straight because this is not a straight unit. It is a body wave texture, so it wasn't going to be straight unless I straightened it anyway, okay? But if you want to straighten this hair out, you can definitely do that. To keep your body wave texture in any of your human hair units, I suggest you co-wash the unit and then let it air dry. You know, scrunch it up a little bit, let it air dry, and then go in and style. If you blow dry it right after you wash it, especially on that high heat, it more than likely would stretch out and straighten your unit. So do what you gotta do to preserve your waves, your curls, whatever you gotta do for your human hair units. Okay, I didn't have to spray the unit down because it does fit pretty good around my head. I definitely would consider this unit big head friendly. I can definitely rock this unit all day, no problem, no concussion. Okay, my temples are not pulsating. Yeah, I like that. But what are we thinking about this, y'all? I think this is a very everyday type of look, and I'm actually here for it. This is more like a styling video. It wasn't really about the specs in my opinion. I was just showing you guys what I could do with this closure, and I think it's a pretty cute and simple look. I don't really have much to say. Yeah, I really don't feel like dragging the video out because it's not really I ain't gonna hold you. That is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to BeautyForeverHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.